Hey guys, it's Josh here and I'm currently on a Virgin train and I'm going to Birmingham, so I'm going to a car show, so I'll be doing another clip when I actually get there. So see you later guys, peace. Hey guys, it's Josh here. We are currently at the car show in front of this Bentley. 84 grand, I don't know if you guys can see that. That's 84 grand, yeah. There's some nice old cars where we are now. There's going to be a Ferrari somewhere. Yeah, I'll just show you around there. Another 85 grand Jag E-Type V12. So yeah, there's some nice cars over here. There's some other old ones here from so yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Also guys, I thought you might like this. I don't know if you can see inside. Yeah, we've got two Porsches, a green one and a silver one. This silver one is 285 grand. It is a Judo 5, Turbo 5, and there's also another green Porsche.
Nice in a bar.
It's quite nice. Another green Porsche. Yep.
Nice to meet you.
Hey guys, I've just found the Porsche 911 Carrera 4 and the Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. Yep, let's look inside these, baby. Oh wow, hey guys, I've just found a Porsche 911 and a Porsche Carrera. Yeah. So yeah, there's some nice cars. Okay, this is a Porsche 911 and it is worth 42 grand. And the other one in here is 24 grand. Yes, I've just found these. Now, I'm going to end the video quickly. What's up guys, I've just found there's a Ferrari over here. We found three lovely cars. So we got a Ferrari and a Lamborghini. Look at that. Black Lamborghini. It's a black Lamborghini. And we've also got a really nice Porsche. I'm not sure what types they are, I don't know what type the Lamborghini is. I think it's a Huracan or something. Oh yes please. I'm just going in there guys.
Golf courses at Laguna.
And there's a lovely one Ferrari.
Who's at £100 now?
Okay guys, so this is a Lamborghini. I'm going to take a little photo, if I even know how to open it. Yep. Really cool Lamborghini. If I even know how to open it. Here it is. This is it, a Lamborghini. Here's the doors go up. Look at that. There's a Ferrari and a nice Porsche. Oh, we have a yellow Lamborghini as well. Here. I think we can open the doors up. Right, this is a yellow Lamborghini, not the yellow Lamborghini. Oh my god. You can't go in these ones. These ones are yeah, look, this is a yellow Lamborghini, guys. I'll show you it both from the back. So there's one Lamborghini, and here's the other Lamborghini. There it is. Two Lamborghini. And over there, guys, that's the Ferrari. And there's a nice silver too. So see you later, guys, in the next clip. Hey guys, it's Josh here, and I also want to say, this has been awesome. I also got to go in the Lamborghini Huracan, so it's this little bit, and you go on an 11-mile circuit round, I don't know, around a bit of Birmingham, and the best car, there's a Lamborghini Huracan, and I got to go in it. We went 120 at the top speed, and there's another Lamborghini, and we were literally just racing it. Every car was trying to take photos, so today's been awesome. Hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, comment, share. See you later, guys. Peace out.